Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Lens, use the Google app or your phone camera, grant camera and storage permissions. Point the lens at the subject and tap to lock focus, because a steady focus gives cleaner results. Once done, pick a mode such as text to copy, translate for foreign words, or shopping to find products. Make sure to switch modes before tapping the shutter. This directs the AI to search with the right intent and yields faster, more relevant answers. You next refine the capture. Pinch to zoom, or draw a selection box to isolate the exact area because precise input reduces noise. Tap Recognize Text to copy, listen, or search, and change the OCR language if characters look garbled. For products, tap Similar Images or Reviews. For plants or animals, slide through suggested matches. If you need translation, change source and target languages, then point again. That two-step refinement helps you finish by saving or acting on results. Copy text to paste into forms, open links directly, or save the image to your gallery. Once saved, share results to messaging or note apps or follow shopping links to compare prices. If lens seems off, retry, improve lighting, move closer, steady the phone, or take a clearer photo because image quality drives accuracy. If problems persist, force close the app and update Lens. That often resolves recognition glitches and restores normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.